Welcome. In front of me is an Amazon Fire HD 8, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to navigate into your settings right over here. From there, scroll down till you get to storage section right here. Tap on your SD card, and once it opens it up, you want to click right here on the three bars, select storage settings, and choose format. This will bring up a window letting you know that formatting SD card will result in you losing everything from it. So if you keep anything on your card that you would want to preserve, music, photos, anything like that, do make a backup copy of it somewhere else. Now, assuming you have already made a copy of it or you just simply don't want to, you can select format storage device. As you can see, this will begin formatting it. It should only take a couple seconds and should be right about done. There we go. Your SD card is ready, and that's it. So you can close this and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.